All right, today we are going to work on fixing the problem where when you have wider wheels, it rubs on the lower A-arm. And the way to reduce that problem or fix it, is to limit the travel you get from your front wheels when you crank them all the way around. And that's pretty easy to do. This side I've already got done. So I've removed a pinch clamp on here, and then I've attached a little nylon C-clip that fits over the steering rack there and reduces the travel. And so I will add as much of these as I need to get that fixed so it doesn't rub the A-arm anymore. So now let's take a look at the other side that I haven't done yet. Here we go. It's just a pinch clamp, cinch clamp. They're a one-use clamp. So you just use a pair of side cutters and just snip it off. So we'll just give that a good twist here. And bam, that's off. So get that out of the way. Get the dust boot slid back. And there we can see the steering rack that I need to put a C-clamp on. So there's one of our little nylon C-clamps, and you can see here there's part number for you. It's a 79-04 steering rack limiter by Mustang, and I'll put a link to that down below. And you just snap that on your steering rack here, and boom, you're done. You've now reduced the travel. It's just that easy. Now when you crank the wheel, it just can't crank around quite as far. So I've got one clip on now. Let's see how we do. I've got the wheel fully turned to the right, and looking at my Carceps anti-sway bar here, I used to hit that at full lock, and now I've got about half-inch clearance. So I've got one of those clips on, and it gave me a half-inch there. Now let's see what it does with our A-arm here. We've got the wheel fully turned to the left now, and look at all that clearance on my A-arm. This looks great. So yes, I've reduced my turning circle a little bit, but the clearance is now fantastic. Now the wheel is at full droop, but I don't think that's going to make any difference. I think we're going to be just great here. So I'm going to call it good with one clip on it. I've got the boot zip tied on with some heavy duty zip ties, and we are good to go. This job is done, and that should eliminate all those problems.